Strawberry legs are those little dark bumps you get on your legs that look similar to the seeds of the skin of a strawberry. They're often confused with a shaving rash, but they're actually caused by clogged pores and hair follicles. While improper shaving habits like using a dull razor could cause this, strawberry legs can also be a result of dry skin, acne, or a bacterial or fungal infection. It's a condition more commonly found in people with darker skin, however, anyone can be affected. Thankfully, it can be treated at home using baking soda. To make this easy home remedy, make a paste out of baking soda and warm water, about 1 tablespoon of soda per 1 tablespoon of water, and apply it to your legs on the problem area. Let it sit for about 3 to 5 minutes before rinsing off the mixture with cold water. The baking soda works as an anti-inflammatory and also exfoliates the area. If you want to add more texture to make this paste more effective, add a tablespoon of ground oatmeal. Repeat each day, and after a week or so, you'll see the benefits. I hope you've enjoyed this video. If you have, please subscribe to this YouTube channel, and don't forget to give this video the thumbs up. And I'm sure you're going to enjoy our next video on how to get rid of toenail fungus with baking soda and vinegar. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.